Alright, here we are at the Grill-A-Mall food truck, and here's the menu. Today we're going to try the Samoa Joe pineapple barbecue sauce, beer-soaked onions, and cheddar. And some double-dipped fries. And we're also going to try the Waste 'Em All, marinated Anaheim green chilies, beer-soaked onions, and pepper jack cheese. There's the music coming out of the Grill-A-Mall truck. And there's the front of the Grill-A-Mall truck as they prepare. They're over here on Ivar between Hollywood and Yucca today. Actually, right down the street from where I live. Grill-A-Mall truck on a beautiful day. Burger review coming up.